Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily add quantity option on Shopify. So first, just head over to admin.shopify.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, just click on Online Store. Then next is just click on the Customize button beside your current theme. And from the top, just click on Home Page. Then switch to products and we're just going to select default product. And from here, we're just going to click on the add button. In my case, just above the buy buttons template. And from here, just select quantity selector. And just by that, we have now successfully added the quantity option. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye.